Throw back a bottle of beer. Since you're right, throw back a bottle of cheer. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Heathyr Frances, and are you stuffed from Thanksgiving? Are you like so stuffed that you couldn't even open your mailbox? Because I know that we definitely did not open our mailbox. And we have a lot of catalogs. Okay, what are we gonna do with all of these catalogs? I mean, please, seriously, we have so many. These people, I don't even know how they got my name, my number, or whatever, but they have some interesting stuff. They have some really good, interesting stuff. And so what I was thinking was that me and my little helpers here, this is Holly, and Kyle, there's Kyle. Okay, they're gonna help us today because if you're at home with your children or your family and your loved ones and you're like, I don't know what to do for Christmas. I don't know what to get these kids, or these kids don't know what to get me, or I don't know what to get my aunt or my cousin or whatever. You know what? Catalog shopping is very important. So anyways, okay, enough of that funny. Anyways, so yeah, what I did was I grabbed some glue, okay, some gem tack, doesn't matter, any kind of glue. Even a glue stick would work. I didn't have that, so if you have one, amen to that. I got a cardboard box here from Amazon. Amazon came and I just like sliced the guy and I was like, hey, I'm gonna use you as a poster board, yeah. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go flip through the magazines and we're gonna find some pretty little items for all of our closest family, friends, and children, okay? Santa Claus is coming to town. All right, guys. So I'm Heathyr Frances. You're watching Dab TV. This is a sneak peek into what it looks like to catalog for Christmas. All right, talk to you later. Bye.